Good morning student. Today we are going to learn second standard English subject, fourth number story. Story time here. Yash and Moti. Okay. See this chapter या lesson story Yash and Moti. Now listen. Lessons name what? Story. STORY story. TIME time. YASH Yash, AND and MOTI Moti. Now listen, in this story, here was Yash was happy. Why? Because his mother brought him a new shoes. He woke up early in the morning and he looked at his new shoes and he was cried. Why? Because his one shoes not there and he looked everywhere. He couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Just then Moti came and started wagging his tail. He barked. Bo! Who was the Moti? Moti was his dog. Yash looked at Moti. Moti have seen my shoes? Asked the Moti. Now listen. Bo oh Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. Yash followed Moti. There was a hole under the tree. Yash saw his shoes in the hole. A big fat rat had carried it there. Yash picked it up. Now listen. Thank God, he said. The rat has not nipped my shoes. It is in good condition. Bo Moti agreed. Thank you, Moti, said Yash. Okay, see this story in this lesson story time. Okay, now first I will write here some words in this lesson. Now first word see story. STORY story. Then see next word time. TIME time. See the next word Yash. YASH Yash. See next word Moti. MOTI Moti. See the next word was. WAS was. Next word happy. HAPPY happy. See next word his. HIS his. See next word mother. MOTHER mother. See next word brought. Bought. BOUGHT bought means brought. See next word new. NEW new. SHOE yes shoes. Okay, once again I repeat these words. Listen carefully. Story. STORY story. TIME time. YASH yash. MOTI moti. WAS was. HAPPY happy. HIS his. MOTHER mother. BOUGHT brought. NEW new. SHOES shoes. You understand now this word's pronunciation. Okay, now listen. In these lessons, the next words. O H O N O no. CRIED cried. Now listen next word there. THERE there. See next word only. ONLY only. ONLY only. See next word one. ONE one. WHERE where. MY my. OTHER other. OTHER other. See next word look. LOOKED look. Okay, listen carefully. OHONO no. CRIED cried. THERE there. ONLY only. ONE one. WHERE where. MY my. OTHER other. LOOKED look. Okay, see then next words in this lesson. Every. WHERE where. Every. WHERE where. Now see next word couldn't. COULDNT couldn't. See next word find. FIND find. See next word it. It. Okay, see the next word sat. SAT. See next word outside. OUTSID outside. See next word on. On. See next word step. STEP step. See next word shop. SOBBED shop. Okay, once again I repeat this word. Every. EVERY every. WHERE where. COULDNT couldn't. FIND find. It SAT sat. OUTSID outside. On. STEP step. SOBBED shop. Okay students, you listen now these words pronunciation. Now listen, see the next words in this lesson. JUST just. THEN they. MOTI moti. CAME came. A-N-D, and. S-T-A-R-T-E-D, started. See next word, wagging. W-A-G-G-I-N-G, wagging. See next word, tail. T-A-I-L, tail. Then last word, see, bark. B-A-R-K-E-D, bark. Okay, once again I repeat these words. Okay, listen carefully this words pronunciation. J-U-S-T, just. T-H-E-L, they. M-O-T-I, moti. C-A-M-E-K, A-N-D, and. S-T-A-R-T-E-D, started. W-A-G-G-I-N-G, wagging. T-A-I-L, tail. B-A-R-K-E-D, bark. Okay, see the next words in this lesson. Bow. B-O-W, bow. W-O-W-O, bow, O. S-E-E-N, see. See the next word. R-A-N, ran. Next word, T-O-2. See next word, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. See next word, front. F-R-O-N-T, front. See the next word, yard. Y-A-R-D, yard. See next word, followed. F-O-L-L-O-W-E-D, followed. Okay, see the next word, there. T-H-E-R-E, there. T-H-E-R-E, there. Okay, once again I repeat these words. B-O-W, bow. W-O-W-O. S-E-E-N, see. R-A-N, ran. T-O-2. T-R-E-E, tree. F-R-O-N-T, front. Y-A-R-D, yard. F-O-L-L-O-W-E-D, followed. T-H-E-R-E, there. Okay, you understand now this word's pronunciation. Now listen, see the next words in this lesson. H-O-L-E, hole. H-O-L-E, hole. U-N-D-E-R, under. See the next word. T-R-E-E, tree. See next word. H-I-S, his. See next word. B-I-G, big. Next word, fat. F-A-T, fat. See the next word, rat. R-A-T, rat. See next word, hat. H-A-D, hat. See next word, carried. C-A-R-R-I-E-D, carried. See the next word, picked. P-I-C-K-E-D, C-K-E-D, pig. Once again, I repeat these words. Listen carefully. These words pronunciation, okay? H-O-L-E, whole. U-N-D-E-R, under. T-R-E-E, tree. H-I-S, his. B-I-G, big. F-A-T, fat. R-A-T, rat. H-A-D, had. C-A-R-R-I-E-D, carried. P-I-C-K-E-D, pig. Okay, now listen, see the next words in this lesson. See next word, U-P, up. See the next word, thank. T-H-A-N-K, thank. Next word, God. G-O-D, God. Okay, see next word, said. S-A-I-D, said. See the next word, not. N-O-T, not. See next word, nibbled. N-I-B-B-L-E-D, nibbled. Nibbled means what? Kurtadne. Okay, see the next word, good. G-O-O-D, good. See next word, condition. C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N, condition. See next word, agreed. A-G-R-E-E-D, agreed. Okay, once again, I repeat these words. Okay, listen carefully. U-P, up. T-H-A-N-K, thank. G-O-D, God. S-A-I-D, said. N-O-T, not. See next word, nibbled. N-I-B-B-L-E-D, nibbled. See next word, good. G-O-O-D, good. Next word, condition. C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N, condition. See next word, agreed. A-G-R-E-E-D. Okay, student, you listen now these words pronunciation. Now, see then story. Okay, which story? Story's name what? Here is the lesson's name which? Story time, Yash and Moti. S-T-O-R-Y, story. T-I-M-E, time. Y-A-S-H, Yash. A-N-D, and. M-O-T-I, Moti. Okay, lesson's name what? Story time, Yash and Moti. Okay, see in this story times, whose story? Yash and Moti's story. Okay. Okay, open the page number, books page number 7. Now see 1.4 lesson which? Story time, Yash and Moti. Okay, now listen. Yash was happy. Y-A-S-H, Yash. W-A-S was. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Yash was happy. Now listen, see the next sentence. H-I-S, his. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. B-O-U-G-H-T, brought. H-I-M, him. N-E-W, new. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. Okay, Yash was happy. Why? Because his mother brought him a new shoes. So Yash was happy. Yash का आनंद होता रे? कारण त्याच्या मम्मीने त्याला काय आणलेलं होतं? नवीन शूज आणलेले होते. Okay, now listen. He WOKE oak, UP up, EARLY early, IN in, THE the, MORNING morning, HE he, WENT went, OUT out, TO2, LOOK look, AT at, HIS his, NEW new, SHOES. Okay, Yash was happy. Why? Because his mother brought him a new shoes, and he woke up early in the morning and see what? He went out to look at his new shoes. But see, OHO, NO no, HE he, CRIED cried, THERE there, IS is, ONLY only, ONE one, SHOE shoes, HERE here, WHERE where, IS is, MY my, OTHER other, SHOE shoes, HE he, LOOKED looked, EVERY WHERE everywhere. Now listen, Yash was happy. Okay, why? Because his mother brought him a new shoes. So he woke up early in the morning and he went to look at his new shoes. But oh no, he cried. Why? Because his one shoes not here. Where is my other shoes? He looked everywhere. Okay, Yash looked everywhere. Where his one shoes? Now listen, see the next paragraph. HE COULD N apostrophe T couldn't, FIND find, IT eat, HE SAT sad, OUT SID outside, ON STEP step, AND and SOBBED so, JUST just, THETHEL then, MOTI moti, CAME came, AND STARTED started, WAGGING wagging, HIS his, TAIL tail, HE he, BARKED barked, BOW bow, WOWO, YASH yash, LOOKED look, AT at, MOTI moti, MOTI HAV have, YOUU, SEEN seen, MY my, SHOE shoe. Now listen, he couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Just then Moti came and started wagging his tail. He barked, "Bo-oh." Yash looked at Moti. "Moti, have you seen my shoes?" Now listen. Yash mother brought him new shoes, no? So he woke up early in the morning and went to look at his new shoes. But no, he was cried. Why? Because his one shoes were not here. Okay, he looked up everywhere and he couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Then just then Moti came. Okay, nearby his, Moti came and he started wagging his tail. The Moti was wagging his tail and he barked, "Bo-oh." Yash looked at Moti. Then Yash was looked at Moti. "Moti, have you seen my shoes?" Yash asked to the Moti, "You have seen my shoes?" Now listen. BOW bow, WOWO, MOTI moti, BARKED barked, AND and RAN ran, TO2 TREE tree, IN in, TH the, FRONT front, YARD yard, YASH yash, FOLLOWED followed, MOTI moti, THERE there, WAS was, HOLE hole, UNDR under, TH the, TREE tree, YASH yash, SAW saw, HIS his, SHOE shoes, IN in, THE the, HOLE whole, BIG big, FAT fat, RAT rat, HAD had, CARRIED carried, IT eat, THERE there, YASH yash, PICKED picked, IT eat, UP up. Now listen, Yash mother was brought him new shoes, okay, and he woke up early in the morning and he looked at his new shoes and he cried because his one shoes was not here. So he looked everywhere and he couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Just then Moti, his dog, he came and started wagging his tail and he barked. Moti was barked, bo-o. Yash looked at Moti, then Yash was looked at Moti and Moti, have you seen my shoes? Yash asked to the Moti, you have seen my shoes? So Moti Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. Okay. Then Yash was asked, no Moti, you seen my shoes? So Moti was Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. Then Yash was followed Moti. There was a hole under the tree. Okay, there in the yard, to a tree in the front yard, there was a hole under the tree. Yash saw his shoes in the hole. Okay, Yash was going to Moti's and he saw the tree in the front yard and there was a hole under the tree. Okay, this tree's hole was under the tree. Yash saw his shoes in the hole. Then Yash saw these holes, his shoes. A big fat rat had carried it there. Okay, his shoes was carried whose? A big fat. Okay, in this hole, Yash picked it up. Yash was picked his shoes. Now listen, see. THANK, thank, God, God, here is the exclamatory mark, he, SAID said, THE the, RAT rat, HAS has, NOT not, NIBBLED nibbled, MY my, SHOE shoes, IT it, IS is, IN in, GOOD good, CONDITION condition, BOW bow, WOWO, MOTI moti, AGR EED agreed, THANK thank, YOUU MOTI moti, SAID said, YASH yash. Now listen, Yash was going with whose? Then Moti. Okay, he see in the front yard there was a tree and in this tree there was a hole under the tree. Yash saw his shoes in the hole and a big fat rat carried his shoes in this hole. So Yash picked his shoes and he said what? Thank God, he said. Then Yash said, thank God. The rat has not nibbled my shoes. It is in good condition. Why he was said thank God? Because the rat was not nibbled his shoes and these shoes was good condition. So he said thank God. Bo Moti agreed. Then Moti agreed what? He was barked and said Bo. Then Moti agreed. Thank you Moti, said Yash. And Yash was thanked to Moti. Why? Because his one shoes was forget and he picked these shoes where a hole under the trees in his yard there is a tree and this is under a hole, and these holes he picked his shoes. So Yash was happy and he said to Moti, thank you. Okay, now listen, in this story what you learn. Okay, here is one boy, his name was what? Yash. Yash was happy. You are happy, no? Your father या mother give to chocolates या Cadbury's, that time you are happy, no? So here in this story Yash was happy. Why? Because his mother was brought him a new shoes. Okay, and he woke up early in the morning. Okay, your father give you know any bicycle या chocolate या biscuits, that time you are happy, no? That's type. Then Yash was happy because his mother brought him a new shoes, and he woke up early in the morning and he went at his new shoes, and then he was cried because there is only one shoes, no? So he looked everywhere, he couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Just then Moti, his dog, was came and started wagging his tail. ओके, तुम्ही सुद्धा आनंदी असता की नाही का? जेव्हा तुमचे मम्मी पप्पा तुम्हाला कॅडबरी किंवा बायसिकल वगैरे देतात त्यावेळेस तुम्ही आनंदी असता. तसाच यश सुद्धा हॅपी होता का? का तर त्याच्या मम्मीने त्याला काय आणलेले होते? शूज आणलेले होते. ओके, but see, there is only one shoes here. Where is my other shoes? He looked everywhere, but he woke up early in the morning, no? He went out to look at his new shoes, and there is only one shoes. Okay, where is my other shoes? He looked everywhere, he couldn't find it. त्याला कुठेही सापडेनात ते शूज. ओके, he sat outside on a step and sobbed. ओके, तो तिथेच बाहेर काय करला, स्टेप वरती बसला. Then just then Moti came and started wagging his tail. Then Moti, his dog, ओके, मोती त्याचा कुत्रा तिथे आला शेपूट हलवत आणि काय करू लागला? भुंकू लागला. बो ओ, यश looked at Moti. Then Yash was looked at Moti. Moti, have you seen my shoes? यश काय विचारतो मोतीला, तू माझा शूज पाहिला का? बो ओ, Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. Okay, then Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front of yard. यश फॉलोड मोती. मग यश काय करू लागला? त्याच्या पाठीमागून जाऊ लागला. देर वॉज अ होल अंडर द ट्री. तिथे झाडामध्ये काय होतं रे? होल होतं. यश सॉ हिज शूज इन द होल. यशने पाहिलं की त्याचे शूज कुठं आहे? त्या होल मध्ये आहे. अ बिग फॅट रॅट हॅड कॅरीड इट देअर. and who carried his shoes? A big fat. Yash was picked it up. Okay, Yash was picked his shoes, okay, in these holes, and he said, thank God. Yash was said, no, thank God. Why? Because a rat has not nibbled his shoes. So he said, thank God, it is in good condition. Okay, so thank परमेश्वराचे आभार मानतो का? कारण काय केलेलं होतं? रॅटने काय केलेलं होतं? त्याचे शूज कुरतडलेले नव्हते, ते चांगल्या कंडिशन मध्ये होते, चांगले होते. ओके, बो ओ मोती ॲग्रीड. मोतीने सुद्धा काय केलं? ॲग्री केलं ते की ते खरोखरच चांगले राहिले. थँक्यू मोती, सेड यश. देन यश सेड टू मोती, थँक्यू. Okay, you understand now this story, Yash and Moti's in these lessons. Thank you.